Hey guys, so this is going to be like probably maybe a follow me around vlog or something, but I just felt a bit bored, so I decided to make a video. By the way, my new camcorder thingy, I got one the other day, Hello Kitty one. I think it's in my Christmas vlog. Tell me like what you think about the footage. I think it's a bit grainy because I used to use my phone, so I'm not really into cameras and stuff, but I think it's a bit grainy, and I realised that I had to talk a bit loud, like a little louder than I would for my phone. But yeah, tell me what you think of it, if it's better, if it's worse, I don't know. So, today is the 4th, and so tomorrow's the 5th, I'll go back to school. Yeah, fun. So it'll be Thursday tomorrow. And I like it when we go back to school and it's like we've only got 2 days to do it, because like it's a nice way to get back into the routine, not just like straight in there like boom on Monday and whatnot. And it's like usually bank holidays and stuff on Mondays anyway, so we don't go on Mondays as well. Yeah, I haven't actually got anything to talk about. I just feel really bored. So I decided to talk to my camcorder. Yay! I'm not wearing my glasses. I wondered why I couldn't see properly. I'll put them on in a minute. But yeah, so like I said, this is probably going to be like a follow me around vlog or something. So you'll see Chloe probably a lot. If I do any more, I don't know. But I don't know what file this camcorder sort of works in. I don't know if it's like an MOV or whatever, or WMV, or I don't even know what those mean, but I know that some can go into Movie Maker and some can't, so I'm hoping this one can go into Movie Maker, because I don't like long videos and I like to edit and stuff if I can. So I will try. Yes, magic. 10:13. Okay. Well, I guess if I do put any more like bits to this video, this will then be my intro. And a really boring intro sometimes. So yeah. Bye. Hey guys, I'm at Chloe's.
Hello.
Hello, can you see yourself?
Yeah, hello.
Okay, and where are you?
I'm here.
Hello. We was going through YouTube and we came across some really weird videos of girls putting up like random videos asking YouTube if they are pretty. And
You're looking good because you've lost lots of weight.
pardon?